going to give you the concept of three basic questions. What is negative and positive acceleration? What is the difference between positive and negative acceleration? What is deceleration and negative acceleration? And at the end of this presentation, I will give you the summary of this whole topic. What is negative and positive acceleration? Acceleration is a vector quantity and its direction is determined by the change in velocity. If the change in velocity is toward right, then I am taking acceleration as a positive. And if the change in velocity is towards left, then I am taking acceleration as a negative. And similarly, it depends on me. If the change in velocity is down, then I am taking acceleration as a positive. And if the change in velocity is up, then I am taking acceleration as a negative. So remember, keep it in your mind, acceleration is determined by the change in velocity. Now, what is the difference between positive and negative acceleration? If a body is standing at point A and if the body is speeding up to the point B and its initial velocity is vi, and from point B the body is slowing down to the point C. Here the change in velocity is towards left, so we say acceleration is negative. Now in another case, if a body is standing at point X and if it is moving to the point Y and then from point Y to the point Z, the body is speeding up. So here we say change in velocity is towards right. So we say acceleration is positive. Now again, keep it in your mind, if I have another body at point P and it is moving to the point Q and its initial velocity is vi, and from Q the body is speeding up to the point R and its final velocity is vf. So here the change in velocity is towards left, so we say acceleration is negative. Now if a body is standing at point R and it is moving to the point S with initial velocity vi, and from point S the body speed is decreasing, so here the change in velocity is towards right, so we say acceleration is positive. So this is negative acceleration, positive acceleration. Now what is deceleration and negative acceleration? If I ask another question, is deceleration means the speed of the car is slowing down? Is it possible? Because we know deceleration is equal to negative acceleration. Then I will answer these questions in two ways, no and yes. No in the case if a car is standing at point A and it is moving to the point B. Now if the car is speeding up from point B to the point C. Now here the change in velocity is towards left and I know acceleration is negative, but here the car is speeding, so the question is deceleration means the car is slowing down is wrong here. Here the car is speeding up. And yes, in the case if a car is standing at point A and it is moving to the point B, and from point B the car is moving to the point C, but the speed of the car is decreasing. So here the change in velocity is towards left, acceleration is negative, car is slowing down, acceleration is deceleration. So this is yes. So there are possibilities. Maybe the deceleration means the car is slowing down, or maybe the deceleration means the car is speeding up. Now to summarize my lecture, negative and positive acceleration is not because of slowing or speeding up a car, but it is because of change in both magnitude and direction of velocity.